right, guys, how's it going? I'm gonna show you guys some AI projects I made over the weekend. This is my first video of this series showing you guys what I've been building. These were mainly in Claude Code and Google Anti-Gravity with some cursors sprinkled in. But yeah, so first thing I made was JobTrack, which is a job application tracker. It uses the Gmail API to pull in emails, and then it uses a Claude API to kind of parse through the information and present the right thing for you. So how it works is we have the logo here, settings, dark mode here, you can toggle on and off. And then demo mode is just to clear out the real applications that I have for my email inbox and just show some fake ones for you so to demo it. But it is functional. Here we can add companies in, position, date applied, URL, etc. Recruiter name, all that. You got a search bar. You can sort by status and filter by that as well. So let's do this. So we have a demo sender here I built, which is 5 different pre-made emails from 5 different companies, each with a different stage in the job process. So let's click that. It's going to send the emails to my Gmail. So wait a second. Oh, my watch is telling me I just got 5 emails. All right, here we go. So now we're going to scan, and this is going to read through my latest 100 emails to kind of fetch the information, and then it'll appear right here. All right, there you go. So here's all 5 emails. We have the logos, which update automatically, the role, company, the date, etc. The stage right here looks nice. And if you go in here, you can edit information. You can view some more specific stuff. This is all generic. This is AI just gave me this information, but it's a mock email to show that it works. And then we also have a nice diagram up here to show applied, reviewing, interviewing, and then if it were to be decided, if I got the job, it'd turn green. But it's just a nice way to keep track of your applications and not have to keep continuously adding it to a spreadsheet or whatnot. And basically how this works is it runs every 2 hours. So every day, every 2 hours, it'll run, scan the latest emails, and then that's how it'll stay updated. All right, so next project I worked on, it's N8N. I did a meal tracker for my campus. So what it does is it every day at 11:30 and 5:01 p.m., it fetches all the menu information off of the Baylor Dining website, pulls it through, and then runs it through Claude once again. And it gives me a suggestion message in my inbox and my email telling me some high protein, low calorie meals and which dining hall I should go to. So all this is pretty much just formatting jargon. But if we go here, you can see some more code. But down here is the prompt for Claude, where it's your targets 1,500, 2,000 calories, prioritizes protein to calorie ratio, etc. Emojis, all that good stuff. Here's the model we use, Claude 3 Haiku. And that's what comes into the send email here. And I'll show you guys an example of what the emails look like. So this is what I get twice a day. It's nothing crazy. I could definitely improve upon the design and get a little more informationally dense, but it tells you where to go, top 3 picks, turkey breast. It's a good day at Penland. A meal plan, it'll do that with the calories as well. So super nice, pretty quick, just an easy way to go on my phone, open up Gmail, see what they got real quick, because the campus website is honestly pretty annoying to flip through. So it's a quick and easy fix. And finally, I installed Claudebot, if you guys know what that is. It's an open source agent that came out over the weekend that got super popular. Well, it came out a few weeks ago, but it got popular over the weekend. So essentially, I installed it on an AWS server running Linux, and then I set it up, all that stuff, got the API keys to work, and now I text it on Telegram. So it's pretty cool. I can ask, hey, what are you doing? It'll respond to me. He knows about me. He has a persistent memory, which is pretty cool. There's been a few hiccups. He doesn't actually have any cron jobs. Like he can't message me proactively for some reason. I'm trying to fix that. Also, he's not super useful because I didn't really give him any passwords or information. So there's no Gmail access. There's no iMessage access, which people are doing. People are giving him all their passwords in their entire life, which I'm not really comfortable with at the moment, just because I've been seeing some stuff about prompt injections and cybersecurity risks. So for now, I'll text him here and there. He's pretty funny, got a good personality, and I can and he'll tell me some things. Like if I text him, "Hey, what's up?" He'll give me the weather. He'll give me my assignments for tomorrow. He'll give me an AI story, Midjourney V7. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, so he knows what I like. He's trying to give me a house techno mix as well. He knows I'm into music. So yeah, that's three projects I made over the weekend. Once again, these were done with Claude Code, Google Anti-Gravity, some Cursor, honestly, whatever I can get my hands on. Claude's Pro Plan rate limits are a little bit low, so I have to kind of make do with what I can because Opus is definitely worth it. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I'm working on. This will be probably a weekly series where I'll make some projects, build some stuff for the AI, and show it to you guys. The goal is to keep kind of progressing into some more business related outcomes and solve some real problems, dip into some consulting, some marketing. But yeah, just a little snapshot of what I've been doing. Thanks, guys.